In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order amount in Shopify. This 2025 updated tutorial will guide you through a process that's simple yet powerful in managing your online store. Let's jump right in and start transforming your Shopify experience. First, open your Shopify admin and navigate to the My Store section, which is essentially your Shopify home. This is where all your store management begins. Once you're here, look for the Add button. The Add button is your portal to explore new features and expand your store's capabilities. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select the Shopify App Store. This store is rich with numerous apps designed to assist with everything from marketing to logistics. Inside the Shopify App Store, we're going to focus on finding an app tailor-made for setting order limits. In the search bar, type in OC Quantity. This search will direct you to a versatile app called OC Quantity Breaks Order Limit. This app is our tool of choice today because it specializes in setting product limits and order quantities, helping you manage how much of a product a customer can purchase, which is crucial for implementing a minimum order policy. When the app appears, select OC Quantity Breaks Order Limit, and then proceed by clicking Install or Open. The installation process is straightforward and is accompanied by guided steps. Installing this app is crucial as it offers functions not inherently available in Shopify, thus giving you more control over your store operations. With the app installed, direct your attention to the Limit Purchase function. Clicking on Limit Purchase will bring you to a page where you can manage the purchase limits for your products. Now find the option that says Add Product that has limit. This feature allows you to specify which products will have a minimum order limit, ensuring that your policy is applied selectively across your inventory. Next, on the same page, look for Create Limit on Product or Variant Level. This feature gives you the flexibility to decide not just on a product as a whole, but also on its variants, allowing detailed control over your inventory. After you've selected the products you want, click on Type of Limit. Here, you'll have options to define precisely how the limits are structured, whether it's at a quantity or financial level. Adjust this setting according to your business needs to make sure it aligns with your sales strategy. And there you have it. By the end of this setup, you'll have a robust minimum order system in place, fine-tuned to serve your store's unique requirements. Thanks for following along, and here's to making your Shopify store even more successful.